Okay, Monday, October 10th, just showing you I exited my SPY put trade at 570. I bought the puts at 550, so a very small gain. And what happened was from the last video where it was heading down here to take out these lows, hopefully it decided not to, price decided to again pause, get a green bar. I exited the trade. You can see here buying the puts at this yellow line. I had a little bit of a cushion here and I just decided to exit, and now we've continued up higher. In terms of the structure, 15-minute chart is still just broadening out in a very, short-term area here with what I still think is going to end up going lower, whether it's by the end of today or sometime tomorrow, or even if we rally tomorrow, maybe in the middle of the week. But whatever, you never know. And anyway, this was just a risk management type of thing where I had pretty good entry location. I expected something to happen. It didn't develop the way I expected, so I just exited also because, I had traded pretty well early in the session with some nice gains. I don't want to really be giving anything back on these secondary trades. It was just, and normally I wouldn't even take a trade like this, to tell you the truth, once I've quit for the day in the morning. But since I did, it's something I watch much tighter than maybe other trades because it is a little tricky knowing we broadened to the upside. We've already made a lot of moves down on the day, and we're really going to head all the way to those lows again. I thought there was a good chance we'd head to the bottom of the range. We still might before the end of the day. What do we got? A little over a half hour to go, maybe not. But either way, it shows you, regardless of what happens in your expectations, if you get good trade location within good structure and manage it tightly, that's still the key. Even if I was completely wrong and I took a small loss, that would be all right also. But you're not going to let anything, I'm not going to hold on to this now knowing it really didn't develop the way I wanted it to and take maybe a big loss. So in this case, small gain on the trade, and I'm done for the day, and we'll just see how price closes as it's moving up here a little bit towards the end of the day with about a half hour to go.